Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Sierra 2500 HD. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.6-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, rear step bumper, hill descent control, tailgate step, remote engine start, running boards, cargo bed light, LED, stability control, roll stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, multifunction display.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.